Panasonic F-1280 3-speed box fan from 1972. Now, older models did have the older Panasonic logo, so the design itself is at least from 1970 or 1969. And let's get this puppy running and straight to the point. It blows a lot of air, as you can see. Now, I'm not sure if they ever sold these outside of the United States, or if this was just a design exclusive only for the US market. Although, there's a small chance they could have sold these as national in Japan and in the rest of the world. Now, this has a tilt stand. You can tilt this. There's this. Here's a speed switch. It's high up. Also has cord storage, so you could store the cord in the back. You can also take out the grill, and you can see the shroud that helps the fan circulate air. And you can see this is a green blade. The blade itself is held by a set screw. There's a small Panasonic motor. Oh, damn it, the hand is wrong. It's hard to do with one-handed. There's two retention clips that holds it in place. And if you look closely, these are for the cord storage. And you can say it's pretty quiet. Low is especially very quiet. It does have a nice startup sound when you start it up. Which is also a characteristic of many generic fans of the 70s and 80s. Most notably the cool sing and cool horn, the nobility fans and all that stuff. But here's a look at the badge. Let me get you a close-up of the motor so you can hear it well. I don't know if you can hear that well. Let me try again. Now listen closely. So as a Panasonic F-1280 box fan, these are very, very hard to find. As always, thank you for watching.